This is the first power on of the new 36-inch bandsaw. We will have to get some safety measures in place as these wheels are a little bit exposed, as well as the fan belts in back. We wouldn't want anyone getting tangled up in the fan belts or the saw blade. And we can now start to increase the velocity of it. So it does have a capacity for going pretty darn quick. That's a lot of saw blade flying by there, and that's only at a setting of 17 out of 60. So that's about 1/4 of the full speed. But there's a lot of blade going by there. And it's a little bit nerve-wracking just to be standing near it. This is the new blade guide that I built for it that keeps the blade all in the right place. And with that, I'll say we've got power on this thing.